Hey everyone, and welcome back. You know how we love to dig into those little things that can make a big difference, and today is no exception.
That's right.
We're going deep on an Excel shortcut you might have overlooked, but once you learn it,
Oh, yeah.
you'll seriously wonder how you ever lived without it.
I know, I do.
This is one of those things that
It seems so simple on the surface.
exactly, it seems simple, but then
It can unlock so much.
it can unlock so much and save you so much time,
Absolutely.
especially if you're someone who's, maybe prepping presentations or if you deal with lots of financial data.
Especially for beginners, too.
Especially for beginners who are learning.
It's a game changer.
It is a total game changer.
Oh.
All right, so the shortcut we're talking about today is Control-Shift-$.
Control-Shift-$.
And that might not seem like much, but just wait till we break down exactly what it does.
Yeah, it's a lot more than just adding a $.
Way more. You ready to dive in?
Let's do it.
All right, so when you hit Control-Shift-$ in Excel, you're applying what's called the currency format.
Right. And currency format, it's not just about slapping a $sign on a number.
Right.
It's about telling Excel, hey, these cells are all about money.
Right.
And Excel's like, oh, okay, I know how to handle this.
Right. Like it knows all those little details that we might forget when we're doing things manually.
Exactly. It handles like where the decimals go.
Yeah. The decimal.
Adding those comma separators for thousands so you don't...
Oh, those comma separators are so helpful.
Aren't they?
Because otherwise, you're just looking at this giant string of numbers, and it's like,
It's impossible.
where do I even begin?
Yeah, and it handles negative values, too,
Yeah.
which can be super important when you're dealing with finances.
Yeah, because it's not just about making things look pretty. It's about
It's about accuracy.
accuracy, yes.
Making sure that your formulas are working correctly.
Exactly.
And it can handle negative values by, like, putting them in parentheses or showing them in red font.
Depending on how you've got Excel set up.
Yeah, it just depends on your settings.
You know what I used to do before I discovered this shortcut?
What's that?
I would literally go in and manually format every single cell.
Oh, no.
And I would be there for ages clicking through menus and making sure the decimals were lined up and adding the commas. It was
That's painful.
painful.
I can't even imagine.
And, you think you've got it all right, and then suddenly, like, a total is off.
Right, or a formula breaks.
And you have to go back and troubleshoot, and it's like, where did I go wrong?
And it's all because of a formatting issue.
Exactly. And this shortcut completely eliminates all of that.
It's a lifesaver.
Imagine you've got, like, a massive column of sales figures,
Oh, yeah.
and you need to get this presentation ready.
Right, you're on a time crunch.
You're on a time crunch. Instead of wasting time manually formatting each cell,
You just select the whole column.
you select the whole column, hit Control-Shift-$,
Boom, instant currency formatting.
instantaneously polished, professional, ready to go.
And you can impress your boss.
Impress everyone, right? And here's a bonus tip.
Oh, I love bonus tips.
What if you're not working with dollars?
Right, what if you need euros or yen or...
Or any other currency in the world?
Exactly.
Can you still use this shortcut?
Absolutely you can.
So how do you do it?
It's pretty easy. You just have to go into the Format Cells dialog box and choose the currency you need.
Oh, so you can customize it.
Yeah, you can totally customize it. So even this basic shortcut has these hidden depths.
I love that, you think it's just one thing,
Yeah,
and then there's all this extra functionality.
it's like a little secret weapon.
It is. It's like a secret handshake.
I like that analogy.
You're in the know.
You're part of the club.
You're part of the Excel Wizard Club.
Exactly.
And, it's not just about impressing people. It's about making your own life easier.
Absolutely.
Getting more efficient. Getting things done faster.
And who doesn't want that?
And the best part is, this is just one of many Excel shortcuts out there,
Oh, yeah, there are so many.
just waiting to be discovered.
It's like a treasure hunt.
So here's my challenge for you.
Okay, I'm listening.
What's one thing you do in Excel all the time
Right. Yeah.
that you think there's got to be a shortcut for this?
Something you do manually over and over.
Over and over.
That's probably a shortcut for it.
Go explore. Go experiment.
Get curious.
Get curious, because I guarantee you there are shortcuts out there that can save you tons of time and make you a true Excel wizard.
And once you start using shortcuts, you'll never go back.
You'll never go back.
It's a whole new world.
It really is.
A world of efficiency.
A world of efficiency.
Mm.
All right, that's it for our deep dive today.
Thanks for joining us.
We'll catch you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.